empowered believer. Now watch this. It is the believer who is saved, the believer who is transformed, and the believer who is empowered that becomes a witness. If you are not saved, transformed, and empowered, you may be called a believer, but you cannot be called a witness. Are we together? Jesus was already mentoring and teaching the disciples, but he never called them witnesses. He was done with his lectures, and then he said, tarry ye in Jerusalem, even though enlightened, until you be endued with power from on high. And when the day of Pentecost was fully come, do you know that from the day that the Holy Spirit came upon the disciples, they became apostles, they became witnesses. They raised other disciples, but they were never called disciples again.